Bonjour, my name is Stéphane Boyera, and I am working for the World Wide Web Consortium and also for the World Wide Web Foundation. The World Wide Web Consortium is the international organization for standardization of all web technologies that's been founded in 95 by Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the web. And since about 3 years, so I've been at W3C since 15 years, so at the very early days of the web, was the first employee of W3C Europe. And so since about 3 years, we decided to start investigating the role the web could play in development. How can the web could help providing health services, government services, education, finance, and so on. And so we start investigating what we could do, what the web could do. That's one of the objectives of W3C since a long time, to work towards making the web available to all. And rapidly, we find out that's one of the most promising platform for now, which is in the field, are mobile phones. And therefore, since that time, we have been looking at how mobile phones and web technologies could be a way to provide services to underprivileged population and rural communities. So we started with organizing a few events at different regions, one in India, one in Brazil, and this year we are looking at the African context with a workshop on the role of mobile technologies in fostering social and economic development that will take place in Maputo, Mozambique, April 1 and 2. So our first objective was to build a roadmap, trying to understand what are the key issues of authoring, deploying, and accessing mobile content or ICT services on mobile phones. And for now, we already have identified different gaps. So there are some technical gaps, like how to make content accessible for people that are illiterate or semi-illiterate, how to provide content in local languages, how to provide usable content. So that kind of technical gap that needs to be bridged. That's one thing. And then there is the other things, which is how to leverage the number of services available to people. And that's something we are focusing on, what we call empowering people, which is trying to enable people to develop the service that their family, their community, their village, or their country needs. We believe that's the only way to have an impact at the global society level, is to have these millions of NGOs or people who are ready to help their community to be able to develop the service they need. Today there are more than 4 billion of mobile phones, more than 80%. We are reaching soon 90% of the world population covered by a GSM network. And with this very first connectivity layers, now anybody is able to develop services. So we are looking at how to transfer expertise, how to enable those people, how to train them to these new technologies, understand what are the tools that could help people to develop services, and how to deploy those services. So after this group will have done his work on building this roadmap, Tim Berners-Lee also unveiled his foundation last September, which is the World Wide Web Foundation, which aim will be to take over this roadmap and engage the action that are recommended. So the Web Foundation is planning to announce his new program in the next few months.